Hello, dear friends. This is our new book, German course, Deutsch course, German course, Buch 2, book 2. Okay, this is our new book number 2. So, Lektion Nummer 1, lesson number 1 of book 2. In Lektion Nummer 1 or in lesson number 1, we will learn about the usage of a and n, the articles of English. Okay, a and n, these are the articles in English language. So what kind of article does do German language have? So we will learn about these articles. So just simply read with me, listen carefully, okay? In English, there are 3 articles, a, an, and the. But in German, there are many articles. In our primary lessons, we will focus only upon eine, and einen. These 3 are our main goal to learn. In coming lessons, we will learn all other articles of German language. So in German, eine, and einen are indefinite articles that correspond to the English word a or an. The usage depends on the grammatical case and the gender of the noun it precedes. So ein is used with masculine nouns like ein Mann in German, and in English a man. Eine is used with feminine nouns like eine Frau, a woman. Ein is also used with neuter nouns like ein Haus, a house. We will learn about einen in coming lessons. Do not panic now. So now let's learn these 2 articles, ein and eine. In English, they are a and n, but in German, these are ein and eine. Like, look at this picture. Ein Auto. In English, simply a car. Ein Affe. In German. In English, it is a monkey. So just focus on German. Ein Auto, ein Affe, eine Axt. Okay, eine Axt. It means Axt word is feminine in German language. So that is why we are using eine instead of ein. Okay, eine Axt. In English, simple, an axe. Ein Apfel. In English, simply an apple. Ein Apfel. Ein Ball. A ball. Ein Buch. A book. Ein Kasten. Eine Katze. Okay, so Kasten is an word or noun is masculine in German. That is why we are using ein Kasten. And Katze is feminine noun, so it is eine Katze. Eine Tasse, a cup. Eine Orange, an orange. So now, Übung exercise of this lesson. Please write down the exercise in your notebook, okay? The coming slides. This will help you build your vocabulary in the upcoming lessons. So now you should write this. What kind of article can we use? Is it a Katze, ein Katze, or eine Katze? Okay, write in your notebook. Is it ein Kasten or eine Kasten? Write in your book. Is it ein Affe or eine Affe? Write in your notebook. So is this eine Auto or ein Auto? What is the correct? You should write in your notebook. Is it ein Affe? Or you can say it is eine Affe. So what is the correct one? Eine Affe or ein Affe? The same case, eine Axt or ein Axt. Which one is correct? Just write down in your notebook. The same case, ein Buch or eine Buch. Eine Tasse or ein Tasse. Ein Orange or eine Orange. What do you think? Which one is correct? You should write in your notebook. So this is the end, das Ende, the end. Danke, thank you. See you in next lesson. Thank you so much.